Welcome, friends. In this video, you will learn daily English conversations that can be used in daily life, so please listen and repeat with me. Before starting, please like and subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Thank you, let's go. Ordering coffee at a cafe. Hi there, I'll have a medium latte, please.
Sure thing. Any flavor or just classic?
Just classic, thanks. And can I get that with almond milk, please?
Of course, almond milk it is. Anything else for you today?
No, that's it. How much do I owe you?
That'll be $4.50, please.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thanks. Your latte will be ready in just a moment.
Meeting a neighbor in the elevator morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
Can't complain. Say, did you get a chance to check out that new restaurant on 5th Street?
Not yet, but I've heard good things about it. Planning to go soon.
We should go together sometime. I've been looking for a dinner buddy.
Absolutely, that sounds like a plan.
Conversing with a co-worker at the office. Hey, did you catch the game last night?
Yeah, what a nail-biter. The last-minute goal was incredible.
Agree. Hey, do you know if the boss has finalized the meeting schedule for next week?
I think so, but I'll double-check and let you know by the end of today.
Appreciate it. By the way, any plans for lunch?
Not yet. I was thinking of trying that new deli around the corner. Want to join?
Sounds good. Count me in. Grocery store checkout. Hi there. Did you find everything okay today?
Hi. Yes, everything is on my list. How's your day going?
Pretty good. Thanks for asking. Do you have a rewards card with us?
Yes, here it is. Here's my card.
Great. Your total comes to $42.50.
Could I get some bags, please?
Sure thing. How many bags would you like?
Just 2, please. Yes, it is.
All right, all set. Have a great day. Waiting for public transportation. Excuse me, is this the bus stop for downtown?
Buses usually come by every 15 minutes.
Thanks. I hope this one isn't too crowded.
Me too, it's been pretty packed lately during rush hour.
Have you been waiting long?
Nah, just a few minutes. Should be here any minute now.
Gym locker room. Hey, have you been coming here often?
Yeah, a few times a week. How about you?
Trying to make it a regular thing? It's tough to stick to a routine sometimes.
I hear you. Have you tried the spin classes here?
Not yet. Are they any good?
Yeah, really intense, but worth it. You should give it a shot.
I'll check it out. Thanks for the recommendation. Pet park encounter. Hi there. Your dog is adorable. What breed is he?
Thanks. He's a mix of a Labrador and a Border Collie. What about yours?
She's a rescue, so not entirely sure, but probably some terrier in there.
She's so friendly. Do you come to the park often?
Yeah, we try to come a few times a week. Helps with her energy.
Same here. It's nice meeting other dog owners around here.
College campus conversation. Hey, have you finished that assignment for Professor Smith yet?
Yeah, just wrapped it up last night. How about you?
Still struggling with the last part. Want to study together later?
Sure thing. How about the library around 3 p.m.?
Sounds good. I'll bring some snacks. Doctor's office waiting room. Hi, have you been waiting long?
Not really, just got here a few minutes ago. How about you?
Been here for about 15 minutes. Hopefully the wait isn't too long.
Yeah, fingers crossed. Have you been here before?
Yeah, I come here for regular checkups. They're usually pretty efficient. Ordering takeout, over the phone. Hi, I'd like to place an order for delivery, please.
Sure thing. What would you like to order?
I'll have a large pepperoni pizza and an order of garlic knots, please.
Got it. Can I have your address and phone number for delivery?
Sure, it's 123 Main Street and my number is 555 1234.
Perfect. Your total comes to $22.50. It'll be delivered in about 40 minutes.
Great, thank you. Small talk at a local event. Hi there. Enjoying the event?
Yeah, it's pretty interesting. Have you been here before?
This is my first time. The turnout is impressive.
Definitely. I'm surprised by how much they've organized.
Agreed. Are you here alone or with friends?
Just came with a couple of friends. How about you?
Same here. Always nice to explore these events with others. Chatting with a rideshare driver. Hi, how's your day been so far?
Not too bad, thanks. Just staying busy. How about you?
Pretty good, just running some errands. Do you drive around here often?
Yeah, been doing this for a while now. Gets me around the city.
Nice. Any tips for someone new to the area?
Well, there's this great spot for burgers nearby. Have you been?
No, I haven't. Sounds good, I'll check it out. Thanks. Catching up with a friend. Hey, long time no see. How have you been?
I know, it's been ages. I've been good, keeping busy. How about you?
Same here, just juggling work and family stuff. Did you travel anywhere recently?
Yeah, went on a trip to the coast. It was so relaxing. What about you?
Not yet, but planning something soon. Maybe a road trip upstate.
That sounds awesome. Let me know if you need any recommendations.
Tech support call. Hi, I'm having trouble with my internet connection.
Sure, I can help with that. Have you tried restarting your router?
Yes, a few times, but it's still not working.
Let's run some diagnostics. Could you check the lights on your modem?
The power light is on, but the others are blinking.
It seems like a connectivity issue. I'll guide you through a few steps.
Thank you so much for your help. In a rideshare, hi. Heading to 5th Street, please.
Got it. How's your day going?
Pretty good, thanks. Just running some errands. How about you?
Can't complain. Been a steady day so far. Do you live around here?
Yeah, just a few blocks away. How about you?
I live across town, but I know this area pretty well.
That's convenient. Have any favorite spots around here?
Oh yeah, there's a great burger joint nearby. Have you been?
No, not yet. I'll have to check it out sometime. Chatting with a neighbor. Hi there. How's everything in the building?
Hey, it's been good and quiet lately. How about your side?
Not bad. Just dealing with some renovations. Have you tried the new cafe down the block?
Not yet, but I've heard good things. Is it worth checking out?
Definitely. Their coffee is great, and they have good pastries too.
I'll have to stop by sometime. Thanks for the recommendation.
Waiting in line at a food truck. Hi there. What's your speciality here?
Hey, our tacos are pretty popular. Anything specific you're craving?
I'll go with 2 chicken tacos, please. Extra salsa if you have it.
You got it. That'll be $8.50. Want any drinks with that?
Just a bottle of water, thanks.
Here's your order. Enjoy your meal.
Office kitchen small talk morning. How was your weekend?
Good morning. It was relaxing, caught up on some reading. Yours?
Went camping with friends. Fun, but exhausting.
Sounds like a blast. By the way, have you tried the new sandwich place nearby?
Not yet. Is it any good?
Amazing sandwiches. We should grab lunch there sometime.
Definitely, let's plan for this week. Scenario 21. Conversation at a park. Hi, do you come here often?
Yeah, a few times a week. It's a nice spot to unwind.
Agreed. I love the peaceful atmosphere here.
Have you tried the trails around the lake?
Not yet. Are they good for a stroll?
Absolutely, especially during sunset. You should check it out.
I'll do that next time. Thanks for the tip. Gym check-in. Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hey, I'm here to renew my membership.
Sure thing. Can I have your name or membership ID?
It's under Sarah Smith, Idaho is 12345.
Found it. Your membership is up for renewal next month.
Great, I'll take care of it before then. Thanks.
Dog park chat. Hi, your dog seems so friendly. What breed is he?
Thanks, he's a golden retriever. Yours?
She's a mix of a border collie and a husky.
She's got a lot of energy. Do you come here often?
Almost every day. It's a great way for her to burn off energy.
Same here. The park is a lifesaver for high-energy pups.
Hair salon conversation. Hi. What are we doing with your hair today?
Hey, just a trim and maybe some highlights.
Got it. How's your day been so far?
Pretty good. Just a bit busy. How about you?
Not bad, thanks. Have you tried this new coffee place down the street?
Not yet, but I've heard good things. Is it worth a visit?
Oh yeah, their espresso is amazing.
I'll have to stop by after this. Thanks for the recommendation.
At a bookstore, hi there. Do you have any recommendations for mystery novels?
Absolutely. Have you read anything by Agatha Christie?
Yes, I love her books. Are any other authors similar to her style?
How about trying Raymond Chandler or Sue Grafton?
Sounds interesting. I'll check them out. Thanks for the suggestions. Coffee shop conversation. Hi, mind if I share this table? It's crowded in here today.
Sure, go ahead. The place is always buzzing at this hour.
Do you come here often?
Almost every morning. The coffee's great and it's a good spot to work.
Agreed. Have you tried their pastries?
Yes, they're delicious. The muffins are my weakness.
Waiting for a doctor's appointment? Hi, have you been waiting long?
Not too long, just arrived a few minutes ago. How about you?
Been here for about 20 minutes. Hopefully they call us in soon.
Yeah, fingers crossed. Do you come here often?
Yeah, for regular checkups. They're usually pretty efficient. Casual chat at a farmer's market. Hi there, interested in some fresh produce?
Hi. Yes, everything looks great. What's in season right now?
We've got some delicious strawberries and heirloom tomatoes.
Sounds amazing. Are these locally grown?
Yes, all are locally sourced from nearby farms.
That's fantastic. I'll take some of each, please.
Catching up with a former classmate. Hey, long time no see. How have you been?
I know, it's been ages. I've been good, just busy with work. How about you?
Likewise, work's been keeping me occupied. Are there any exciting plans coming up?
Not much, just trying to find time for a quick getaway. What about you?
Thinking of a road trip soon, need a change of scenery.
Sounds refreshing. Let me know how it goes.